In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update ChatGPT 2026 full guide. First things first, ChatGPT doesn't update like traditional desktop software or device firmware. There's nothing to download, no patch files, and no installer. Everything happens in the cloud. OpenAI rolls out code changes, new model weights, and performance tweaks directly on their servers. So if you're signed in on the web, you're already using the most current version your subscription tier allows. That's why you won't find an install update button in your settings. There isn't one. To make sure you're actually using the newest model available to you, check the model selector in your workspace. Look to the top or the center left header of the ChatGPT window and click the model dropdown. You'll see your accessible variants listed. The flagship tier is typically GPT 5.5, designed for deep coding help, complex math, and layered reasoning. You may also see speed-focused options like GPT 5.5 Mini or GPT 5.5 Instant for quick summaries and fast turnarounds. Pick what fits your task. If a newly announced model isn't visible, it usually means the rollout hasn't reached your account yet, or it's outside your current plan. In that case, check your tier details. Next, let's talk about optional features and integrations. Open the settings by clicking your profile icon at the bottom left of the sidebar and selecting the gear. In settings, review 3 areas. In connectors, you can link your account to tools like Gmail and Google Calendar, so the AI can help draft replies or check availability based on your permissions. In personalization, turn on custom instructions and manage memory to guide how ChatGPT carries context across new threads. In storage, monitor your file library usage. Plus plans commonly see expanded space like 20 gigabyte, and Pro plans go higher, such as 100 gigabyte, so you can keep large documents accessible without juggling uploads. If a fresh interface feature isn't appearing, maybe a canvas editor or new color themes, force your browser to fetch the latest assets. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F5 or use Ctrl plus Shift plus R. On Mac OS, press Command plus Shift plus R or hold Shift while you click Reload. This clears cached files and pulls the newest web framework from the servers. Finally, keep the mobile app current. Open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and if you see update instead of open, tap update. That keeps features like advanced voice and high bandwidth tools working smoothly. That's it. Remember, ChatGPT updates in the cloud automatically, and confirming your model from the dropdown is the quickest way to stay on the cutting edge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.